Hello, this is Marko Rintamäki from YAMK. Normally I'm called Narsu, and I'm trying to describe you a little bit how this WIMMA Capstone is actually running, implemented. This is the situation 2025. I'm expecting that this will be implemented there, but if there is changes, you should ask latest information or read about in the WIMMA Capstone page. But anyway, the main idea for the Capstone environment is that we have two different uh, learning paths. There is hands-on and there is observer. So when you are a student who would like to learn more about how to work in a project in software development domain, how to deliver software, and what are skills needed for the build something with a company, so then you should select hands-on learning path. Currently, it's only open for young students. I hope that later in coming years we are able to provide this to others also, but currently the situation is that we are having this young connection actively running, but let's see what happens in the future. But anyway, when the student joins hands-on, he will go through the intro course phase first. And during this intro course, free ECTS, student will recap some studies already done, but there is some things what you should make sure that you understand those. So this introduction is providing some recaps and some assignments which are raising up the bar a little bit higher, and the people who are joining the project are a little bit tuned together. So after the intro course or during that intro course, they will be also selecting the project which is defined by the or requested by the some company who has a mature enough to ask or request for the software products, and there is understanding inside the company or stakeholder, whoever. So I'm expecting that WIMMA Capstone projects are highly professional focused for the software developers and software designers, test engineer, students, junior, whoever who would like to be someday professional, and they would like to raise up the bar with the skills and deeper their understanding how to work together as a project team. So they will be joining the project, and there is possibility that there is a different project, several of those. I'm expecting that there will be 7 or 10 different projects in a later when we have implemented this product line. So that means that all these teams are actually working the same time box, but they are working for the different companies or stakeholders. So they are going through as a team. Each of the teams are going through the same kind of time box or schedule, but they will deliver results in the end of the project. So they will be collecting 15 credits ECTS for the whole study hands-on. So hands-on is a quite big amount of work. So this springtime is heavily dedicated students' time for this project. But there is also possibility to join and understand a little bit about project working by joining the observer, joining as an observer student for the WIMMA Capstone. So then you are able from the address to join the observer mode, and you will go through the same intro course, and then you are moving your um, uh, connection with you are moving your way of working there, that you are not doing the work inside a project, but you will be joining observer mode, and you are asking questions from the teams if there is an open questionnaire situation, or you are collecting the evidences, what are the different teams and how they are actually doing, and you are writing a learning diary in this case and collect all these evidences what you can find from the different teams, and then you are delivering in the end your learning diary, and you are learned by observing other teams. So this learning path is only 3 ECTS, but the criteria of this observer mode is a little bit lower, so you don't need to have so much background or study points already collected in and hands-on. I'm expecting that there's 150 study points already collected, and the students are the third year students, so it means that they have to have some kind of skill set already if they want to go through the project. But observer can have 80 below 100 study points. It's very good to have some background from the software development and interested and motivation to understand how things are running. But that's the reason that as a student who would like to understand how the Capstone projects are actually living, how the companies are providing support, how the different elements of the project process are actually handled. So this could be the way to learn about what's going on there. And that's the way we have been implemented first version of the WIMMA Capstone. So we will see what happens then, but we have been already running the project, and now we are bringing you the possibility to join also the project by observing those. This is the short, in a short, what happens there. So students from YAMK are able to join hands-on. Students from YAMK and EUDRES could be joining the observer mode. And we will inform you when we are able to start up this process and we start hiring the people and getting the students on the tracks. So thank you, and we will meet you again later. Bye.